So Filmora just released a new AI thumbnail generator right in the video editor. So if you're using Filmora 14 or above, you should be able to create a video, and also you can use AI to generate an enticing and unique or eye-catching thumbnail using the built-in AI feature right in the video editor. So when you export a video, you will get the video file and also the image for the video thumbnail, and it's pretty easy to use. So let me show you how you can use that. First, of course, you have to have a video. In this case, I do have a demo video, and this is actually probably not the best demo because AI will work best if you have some context, if you have some audio, voice, or information that the AI can learn. But this video is, it's not a good start because it's just silent video. There is no context at all. But I think this is good enough to demonstrate on how you can use the AI thumbnail generator in Filmora. So what you need to do is you have to export the video. Click the export menu right here. Okay, now on the thumbnail section, you will see that there is the edit button. You want to click on it, and it will bring you to this AI thumbnail maker, and right away it's going to start generating some thumbnails. It will generate up to three different thumbnails based on the video. So right now it doesn't have information about what the video is about, so that's why you see this random text. It says restaurant promo video, which I guess makes sense because there is a people eating something, and there's also this thumbnail, which is pretty interesting because this photo is based on the footage of building, and they actually crop the sky. They do run the automatic background removal, so I think that's very interesting. But these two are not the only thumbnails that you can get from Filmora. You can go to the template section and you will see plenty of different style and different format of the thumbnails that you can use, and you just need to select one of them and you can apply that to your video. So let's try. I'm going to go to vlog, and I want to try maybe this vlog, daily vlog 05. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to download this format, and if you go to the mine section, there's going to be a new format. This is the new thumbnail that I just downloaded, and I'm going to click on it, and now Filmora offers me to recreate the thumbnail using that format. Now I'm going to click change and just wait, and yeah, that's really quick. So yeah, this is a thumbnail that you can definitely use, and I think you can also change the text. If you want to use a different text, you can definitely do it. You can also add text if you want. You can add more text, and you're going to able to edit the text right here. And lastly, you can add another image. If you have another image that you want to use, you can click on that button and you'll have plenty of options from your computer. But let's say I'm happy with this thumbnail. I'm going to click save. And when you export the video, you should be able to get the video and also this thumbnail. I'm going to click export, and I'm going to just wait until the process finishes, and I'm going to show you where you can actually get that, where you can see the thumbnails. Okay, I'm going to click open folder. Right, okay, now I have this. As you can see, there is a video and there is this thumbnail. One is video, the other is not a video. This is just a thumbnail, but you might have noticed that it puts the thumbnail at the beginning of the video, which is actually a good practice because a lot of social media companies like TikTok, Instagram, they actually going to use the first few frames of the video as the thumbnail, and that's why you might want to put the thumbnail right at the beginning of the video. So that's exactly how you can create an enticing and eye-catching thumbnail using the Filmora AI thumbnail generator. So feel free to use it, feel free to modify the template and try to discover many different templates that is available in the Filmora library. So that's it from me, and I'll see you on the next video.